What are the best Phoebe Bridgers songs? This is coming from someone who is a huge fan of her. She's actually probably my favorite artist right now. I made a top 10 list, so you don't have to. Let me know the artist I should do next in the comments.
Stuck your tongue down the throat of an alien spaceship, either way. And if you fall, she could do anything. Jesus Christ, I'm so blue all the time, and that's just how I wake up and start a beat. I wanna kill you, can the killer me tame? I hate your mom. I have emotion sickness. Somebody roll.